This is Nelzide, a snow marketing wizard over at Polaris, a rare breed that understands what the riders want, but still stern enough to convince the marketing team to build it. This is Darren Headland. Darren has 30 years of obsessive motorhead engineering at Polaris under his belt. If you want to talk about boost or fuel mapping, this guy will win any argument with cold hard facts. And this is Kyle Pulsifer, a Minnesota boy that made his way out west, wrenching and guiding for Chris Brandt. That opened a door to Polaris. Now he's lucky enough to burn a lot of race gas, testing and tuning with the Rimshot boys that he fortunately doesn't have to pay for. And of course this is Caleb Kesterke. With all the people we just mentioned, this sled wouldn't exist. Caleb has continued to raise the bar year after year, leaving us saying, what the f***, anytime he makes a post on social media. You guys have seen the sled, you've seen the press releases, you've seen the social media stories, you've seen all the tech specs. If you want to check out an in-depth look at it, check out Caleb's channel. If you want to see this mod in raw form, wide open for the next 10 minutes, stick around and enjoy.
It's absolutely absurd. I can't believe it's possible to make this much power in a sled. It's so responsive and snappy. It's way more than I can ride. As you can see, I'm all over the place. Yeah.
You good?
It has so much power!